7th grade girls, this is Coach Kendall here. I am going to give you a short little overview of your course just in case you were not able to join me or you had computer problems or whatever the situation was when we were supposed to meet today virtually. So first thing is when you go into Schoology, you are going to see all of your courses. These are my courses, and your 7th grade course is going to have a lovely picture of my daughter from several years ago when she played softball. So you're going to click on that course and go into your course. If you notice right here, right off the bat, first thing in the morning, hopefully first, second hour, you've already done this. You're going to click here to join me for Google Meet today if you're watching this video. Hopefully you are. If you're not sure how to do it and you have some time to spare, here's a little tutorial. If not, click right here for Google Meet. I have provided you a link to go directly to Google Meet, and it is in red where it says here. Please pay attention to your class code. Every hour has a specific code word to join me in meeting. Second hour, your Kindle 32, third hour, Kindle 33, and so on. You're going to click here. It's going to take you to Google Meet, and you're going to join or start a meeting. Very simple. You're going to type in that code word that I gave you, and you're going to hit continue, and then you're going to be able to join me. I do want to make you aware, there's my join me. I am taking attendance for these meetings, and I do expect to see every one of my students in that meeting. So if you are not attending these meetings, I will be calling your lovely guardianship and letting them know that you were not meeting with me for assignments when you should have been meeting with me. This week we're meeting on Tuesday and Thursday. You will use the exact same code word every single time we meet. If for some reason you go into the meeting and I am not quite there yet, just maybe wait 1 or 2 minutes and try again, because I will be transitioning from one meeting to the next, and it may take me just a second to get into that meeting to set it up, because you cannot get into it until I am already there. All right, but we are going to be meeting. So let me just close this actually. Okay, so right here are your code words. You are going to have one assignment this week, ladies. And that one assignment is going to be on your main materials page, and it is always going to be in your first quarter assignments. You're going to go here every single week to find your assignment. When you click on it, voila, you have week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, and hopefully we are hybrid. But even for hybrid, this is going to go all the way to week 9 this quarter. You are going to click in week 1, which is where you will actually find this tutorial, and you have 2 assignments this week. Neither assignment involves a workout this week. One assignment shows you how to take your heart rate manually. The other assignment talks about the FIT principles, which you will be applying to your workouts as you start working out next week. Now, some of you may be thinking, Ms. Kendall, like me, I have an Apple Watch. Do I really have to know how to take my heart rate? Well, if you happen to have a device that will actually read your heart rate before, during, and after a workout, okay, it's not going to be as important for you to learn how to take it manually. But I do want you all to watch that video, answer the questions, because there may be times when you don't have something to take your heart rate and you need to know how to do that. So these are your 2 assignments. One is worth 5 points, one is worth 6 points. These are for a grade. You are expected, if you look right here, both assignments are due Friday by 11:59 p.m. You are expected to get those done by that time. We will be talking more about week 2 on Thursday, so I'm not going to get into that right now. A couple of things that I want you to be aware of. I do want you to watch this video. Okay, although I am your PE teacher, there are 3 other PE teachers, and we are going to be working collectively together this quarter to maybe do some videos together. So we're going to introduce all of ourselves to you, so that if you see Coach Oswald on a video, you're going to understand that it should be Coach Oswald, because he's done a video for that week. And sometimes the boys may see me on their video. Next is a syllabus. This is general information. It's going to have my email on there, my phone number, things like that if you need it. 7th grade, this is a great resource for you. I have included lots of tutorial videos for you. If you are having any questions about Schoology, pop in here and look at some of these videos. I also really want to circle read and write with Google Chrome for you. If you have a hard time reading information, okay, this is a great app to install because you can highlight text and it will read it to you. You can use this for any of your classes, not just PE. Also, it's read and write. What I love about this is if I turn on the microphone feature, and let's say I'm in a Google Doc, I can talk like I am talking to you now, and it will actually type it for me. So if you're not a fast typer, or you do better speaking than typing, you can use that. It's a great little resource for you. Okay, so please pay attention to those resources if you need them. The very last thing that I want to show you is a tutorial for your parent. You may have a parent that says, hey, I want to be able to get into your Schoology and see what's happening so I can make sure you're staying on top of things. Show them this tutorial and it will give them all the directions that they need to join up with you on Schoology. Ladies, if you pay attention to the calendar right here, anytime you have an assignment, it is going to be right here on your calendar. It's going to tell you when it's due and what that assignment is. So you can even click on it right here and it's going to take you, or you can click in here. All right, so I'm looking really forward to meeting all of you. I am still really sad that we're not getting to do this in person, but it's going to be a great semester and we're going to work through this together. So make sure that you're joining me Monday. Make sure that you look at that time when you go into your Google Meet. Okay, I have the exact times for you right here where you're going to be joining me for that meeting. So be sure to be on your computer because remember, I'm taking attendance and I'm looking for you. Can't wait to meet you, ladies, and we're going to have a great semester. See you soon.